Let's be real, if your skin looks dull, dirty, or straight up ugly, people notice. And the worst part, you notice it every time you look in the mirror. That's why in this video, I will be sharing with you 4 simple steps with a bonus step in the end, which is a life-changing one. No gimmicks, no fake promises, just proven steps that actually work. Starting with the first one, wash your face with cold water and a gentle cleanser. Don't just splash it, scrub in circular motions for at least 30 to 60 seconds. This wakes up your skin and clears the dirt and oil that are making you look worse than you really are. But you can't just wash your face and hope for the best. You also need to do the second step, which is exfoliation. Do this 2 times a week. Dead skin is the #1 reason your face looks rough, aged, and lifeless. Exfoliation unclogs your pores and instantly makes your face smoother and brighter. It's like wiping the dust off a dirty mirror. Suddenly the reflection is clear. And that's when it comes to the third one, hydration. Right after cleansing, apply a lightweight moisturizer or aloe vera gel and massage it into your skin for 2 full minutes. This feeds your skin, locks in moisture, and gives you that fresh, glowing look that people can't ignore. But you should protect your skin. And that's the 4th step, protection. In the morning, always use sunscreen. Even if you stay indoors most of the day, UV rays are still damaging your skin and aging you faster. Sunscreen is like armor for your face. If you want a quick hack for instant energy, splash cold water again before you head out. It tightens your pores and makes you look alive. And here's the bonus step that you were waiting for, the one that most people ignore, but it changes everything. Fix your lifestyle. Drink water like it's your fuel, cut down on sugar and junk food, and get real sleep. You can use all the products in the world, but if your body is toxic and tired, your skin will expose it. Once you get this right, your skin doesn't just look better, it glows. Do this every day, no excuses. In just a few weeks, you'll see the transformation. Smoother skin, sharper features, and a glow that makes people wonder what changed. Stop hiding behind bad skin. Fix it, own it, and show up with confidence. Now don't just watch this video, like and subscribe to the channel, and go set a timer for 5 minutes. Head to the bathroom and start. Your future self will thank you.